In October 2013, in Orenburg region, a series of fire-extinguishing tests in warehouses with the elevated racking systems was conducted. The module modification MGBP 110 was used for fire extinguishing. The gas powder fire-extinguishing technology BiZone is the invention of SPA Kalancha. It's a totally new principle of fire extinction when a mixture of gas and powder impacts upon the heart of ignition. Thanks to the unique characteristics of the gas powder fire-extinguishing mixture and its method of discharge, it's possible to apply the BiZone modules for both total flooding and area fire extinguishing. The powder moves in the gas mixture quickly and evenly, filling up the entire volume and creating the concentration of the fire-extinguishing agent necessary for fire suppression in the most difficult and hard-to-reach zones, despite any shading. The containers with fire were set on the floor and the racks at the height of 4 and 8 meters. After the extinguishing, there was no open fire or smoldering. BiZone modules passed the test and were recommended for the protection of warehouses with the elevated racking systems.